The first time a homeowner receives an estimate from a roofing contractor for their roof replacement, they're probably going to want to explore different options because that roof estimate is expensive, just like roofs are. Whether it's for some minor roof work or for a full roof replacement, there are plenty of benefits to hiring a local roofing contractor. I'm Brandon Hafeli with Bill Reagan Roofing Company, and today we're going to be exploring some of those benefits. Let's get started. Ease of mind. At the end of the day, roofing is a tough profession that requires a skilled hand and plenty of experience. Though you may understand your roof from the inside and out if you install it yourself, a professional crew is going to be able to ensure that that roof is going to be installed properly as long as you do your research to find a good roofing contractor. Warranties. Going off of ease of mind here, any contractor worth their salt is going to have substantial workmanship warranty, around 25 years or even for the lifetime of the materials, backing their work in the case of an installation error. Any problems that you may get from that, they'll be back out to fix it for free. However, if there's a problem that's occurred from a DIY roof, it's up to you to fix that, and that's going to be extra time and extra money spent. Costs. Saving money is often seen as the ultimate benefit to doing a project yourself, but we should talk about all the potential and guaranteed costs that are going to hit you personally if you decide to do a DIY roof. The huge expense that you'll incur is material costs. Materials alone make up a huge portion of the bill that you'll get from your roofing contractor, and eating that yourself is going to hurt. Not only are you going to have to get all the guaranteed components such as the shingles, the flashing, and so on, there's plenty of optional components like you don't know how much decking you'll have to replace if you have rotten decking, or if you'll need to upgrade your ventilation system. If a big storm blows through your area and damages your roof, and you haven't installed that roof properly, then the homeowner's insurance that you have is not going to cover it, and you're going to have to pay out of pocket for another roof, really amping up your costs than if you had just gotten that roof installed by a professional in the first place. Time saved. Now, like many home improvement projects, roof replacements take time. And tackling that project yourself, between the education, buying all the materials, and the actual work, it's going to take you many days at best and many weeks or even months at worst. With a professional contractor, it's going to take them 1, maybe 2 days tops with an average size roof, so you'll be able to use all that extra time that you would have spent on your roof on some other home improvement projects. Those are just a couple of the reasons why it's usually much better to leave it to the professionals. But none of it's going to matter if you don't hire a good, reputable roofing contractor in the first place. To learn more information about that, click on the link below or at the end of this video and watch our video on how to hire a good roofing contractor. I'm Brandon Hafeli with Bill Reagan Roofing Company, and thank you again for watching the Roofing Channel. Remember to like and subscribe to help a small channel like us grow so we can spread more helpful information. And if you have any ideas of what you'd like to see covered, then leave a comment down below. We'd be happy to make a video answering that question for you. We'll see you next time.